morning, everyone! Today is water park day! Wow! Are you excited? Yes, let's go!
Woo! This place is huge! Look at all the slides! I can't wait!
Ellie, should I try? Narrator, kids, let's cheer for Ellie! Look, that was amazing! Whee! Let's play! Yay! Wave coming! Jump! Bowing! Another one! Ellie, so tasty! Narrator, Ellie loves strawberry ice cream. Let's go! Whee! What a wonderful day! Thank you for joining us. See you next time. Bye, friends.